guess you're ready to leave Gravity Falls.
Just a little more summer.
Oops!
What? Oh no! Wait!
At long last, the gate between worlds has opened. The event 1 billion years prophesied has come to pass. The day has come. The world is finally mine.
Beware Bill, the most powerful and dangerous creature I've ever encountered. Whatever you do, never let him into your mind.
We're too late. It's the end of the world.